Hello everyone, welcome back to Pilipinas Simple Life in America. And today is we're gonna plant the flowers because this time is a very good weather. So, samahan niyo po ako at sana po panoorin niyo po hanggang matapos yung video. I hope you watch this until the end and leave a comment below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much in advance and let's go plant some flowers. So, ito po yung this is the flowers. I bought this in Home Depot. Yes, I planted a starter from, I bought some planters from Home Depot. So, I'm going to plant this in this side here. I like this one, this kind of flowers because they don't get freeze or they don't get freeze, hindi po sila namamatay sa lamig. I like this kind of flowers. So this time a year they have a lot that in Home Depot. So yeah, this one is another kind. I don't know, it's a snapdragon, this one. So I'm thinking to put this in one of my pot, and this one I'm going to plant that in the rosary because you know in my roses was died on the summertime, so I'm going to plant some in here. But this one, hold on, what is the name of this one? Is a zonal geranium. Yes, that's the name of this plant. But I like them very bright color. So here, so this is the roses that I planted last year, and they died on the summertime. So I'm going to plant this flower to replace the roses. So ayan guys, I'm cleaning I pulled this one, the roses. Guys, I still have some flowers. This one is a red color, and what's the name of this flower is petunia hybrid. Yeah, when I go to Home Depot, I'm not really in I don't look what is the name of the flowers that I going to buy. All I know is I like those flowers and I want to plant them, so I just pick what I want. But every year this time a year I always get like this kind of flowers because they're really good. they don't they don't die in a cold weather. They like it. So I'm thinking that they are a winter plant. So it's beautiful. I have a draper here. Sunny and bright today, guys. A little cool. It's in the morning, but only in the morning and in the evening. But if the sun, like, up, they get uh, pretty warm. So, ayan. So, kayo po, anong mga tinatanim nyo? Yung mga kababayan ko po nandito sa Amerika, ano po ba ang mga tinatanim nyo sa winter time? Mag-comment po kayo sa mag-comment po kayo sa video kung anong mga tinatanim nyo para malaman ko naman po, baka may mga tip po kayo na maganda at masusunod ko din. Ayan, so parang marami ito. So, i-ano ko muna, no? Siguro taniman ko dito yung isa. Bawasan ko. Kasi parang marami siya. Itanim ko muna dito. Mayroon pang bakanting isa eh. So, in this side, I have the roses. Pot. But I need to clean up the dead one. So, like this. Oh. So, be careful guys if you cleaning up your plant. There's a lot, the roses has a lot of thorn, and it's kind of scary. So I guess the camera it's in focus, huh? I hope. Ayan. So guys, leave a comment below and you can share my video to your friends and family, mga kababayan ko dyan sa Philippines. Kung mapapanood niyo po itong aking video, please share po and comment. Sana mapanood niyo po. Ayan. Ay, napaka it's very steep, but see. And then here I'm done cleaning up the pot. So I'm going to plant the roses now. Pardon with my neighbor, she is talking in the phone. So probably you guys gonna hear that. Because I'm on the front yard. So this is how I do. This is how I do to take the roses out from the little planters. So there you go. So I'm gonna plant that in here. It's so my neighbor is a Mexican and she's talking her language. Maririnig nyo po yan siguro sa video na iba ang kasi mas malakas pa yung boses niya kaysa sa akin. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. So, ito, medyo bawas ba? Pag nagtanim po kayo, medyo bawas-bawasan po dito. Ganito po. Ganito. Paano ba? Nakikita niyo ba ako? Ito. Bawas-bawasan po yung yung roots para medyo kumapit po siya sa kumapit po siya sa lupa. Ayan. Nilakyan. Ayan, ganyan po. So, pinaganyan-ganyan ko po siya. So, that's how I do plant. I just transfer that in the bigger pot. Ayan. And then I push that down. I push it down like this. Ayan, guys. So, and then, as you guys know, I have a draper. So, I open it. I like this draper because you can adjust how much amount of water you gonna water to your plants. Next is the other roses. One is like that too. Is a kind of bigger pot. So the same process. Put a big hole. Go. This one, it's kind of easy. Easy, very easy. So I put this out. But when you plant, guys, be careful because the roots. No, I mean the roses has a lot of thorns. So just be careful. So I just do like this, like that. I need to take up some of the soil here in the big pot because the other one is kind of big. So it needs to put in a deeper. There you go, guys. Yeah. Next is the other plant, the other flowers, and still my neighbor is still talking. So guys, I just want to explain it to you guys. This one is a kangkong seeds or water spinach seeds. I leave them. I didn't harvest them because I want the seeds the next time. They like around springtime. This one is gonna be brown, so that the next year I have a new plant. I mean new seeds. So that's the one. This is the water spinach seeds, and I have a lot. This one, yeah, all these right here they have a seeds. So yan, ayan guys, thank you. So finally, my neighbor is inside her house. So this is what you guys can hear my watering. I'm watering the plant. So I'm gonna water over here too, the new plant. The last plant that I'm gonna plant today is the eggplant, and I plant this in this hole here. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video today, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support. And to all my kababayan, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa araw na ito. At sana po, mag-subscribe po kayo sa aking channel. Thank you so much. At I will see you guys in my next episode. Thank you. At magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod ko pang mga vlog. Maraming salamat po. And God bless you all. Thank you. I love you all. Bye-bye. So after all the plantings and cleaning up the garden, I treat myself in a good restaurant. I had a good, really grilled salmon and mixed vegetables, but I just don't wanna I don't wanna film inside the restaurant because it's so crowded, a lot of people and the music going on. So I just I went out after I eat, and this is the view. This is my favorite place that close to where I live. Beautiful view at night, especially the weather is getting cold, so you will see all these lights and beautiful Christmas light. Thank you.